First unlock the layer. Go to the window and choose the character. Follow these settings. Close the character planner. Click on your document. Write Ocean Lover and press Ctrl to enter. Select the Move tool and position the text. Go to the Layer panel. Click on the text and take a copy of the layer. Click on Layer 0. Take a copy of Layer 0. Turn off all the layers. Accept a copy of Layer 0. Select the copy Layer 0. Go to Windows. Click Properties. Double-click on Quick Action. Remove background. Turn on all the layers. Drag the text layer under Layer 0 copy. Now select Text Copy Layer, fill to 0, go to FX and select Stroke. And follow these settings. When you satisfy, press OK. Here is the final result. Hope you like it.